Are you tired of switching between task managers, note apps, and mind mapping tools just to stay organized? What if I told you there's one AI tool that replaces all of them and boosts your productivity in the process? Meet Taskade AI, the all-in-one productivity powerhouse that's making waves in the world of automation. Stick with me as I show you how Taskade is replacing 3 of your most used apps and how you can start using it for free. What is Taskade AI? Taskade is an AI-powered productivity suite that combines task management, note-taking, project planning, and real-time collaboration, all in one place. Its AI capabilities go beyond just writing or summarizing. It actually helps you generate task lists, brainstorm ideas, and automate your workflow. App 1, Task Manager Replacement. Goodbye Trello or Todoist. Taskade lets you create dynamic to-do lists, set deadlines, and collaborate with your team instantly. Its AI assistant can turn plain text into structured task boards in seconds. App 2, Note-Taking Replacement. Forget Notion or Evernote. Taskade's workspace lets you take notes, organize ideas, and format content using AI prompts. You can even ask the AI to rewrite, summarize, or explain your own notes. App 3, Mind Mapping and Brainstorming. Need to map out a strategy or brainstorm a project? Taskade replaces tools like MindMeister or Miro. You can start with a prompt, and the AI generates visual ideas and workflows in real time. Bonus features! Taskade also includes chat, video conferencing, project templates, and multi-device syncing, so everything stays in one place. And yes, there's a mobile app too! If you're overwhelmed by juggling multiple tools, it's time to simplify. Taskade AI is your new go-to solution for everything productivity. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool breakdowns. Check the link in the description to try Taskade for free today, and let me know in the comments what app it helped you replace.